Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs. So, checking ng emotion, feelings, thoughts ni person this coming week for you. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, don't forget, na i-follow yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below yung link and yung isa pa po nating pinapa-sub, yung about animals, rescue animals. So, sa kapatid ko naman po yun. No? So, support pag may time. Thank you. O, diba? Agad-agad. So, ano pa ba? Yung ating mga items is all available. Yung ating mga protection from evil eye. So, we have the ring. So, this ring is adjustable po, no? So, wala nang tanong-tanong pagdating sa sizes, mga ganyan. Kasi na-adjust naman siya. And yung ating dalawang bracelet, may adjustable, may isang garterized. Same unisex. Okay? And yung atin ring necklace. So, yan, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yun. So, alam nyo naman na kung ano itsurahan, no? So, kung may tanong, eto, ayan siya. Okay, ito yung ating necklace. As you can see. Okay, so yan, ganyan siya. This is so nice in person. Anyway, so, yung ating love bracelet, this is 7 inches long. Hindi siya garterized po, and hindi siya na-adjust. So, 7 inches long mula dun sa pagkakabitan and dun sa lock. And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is made to order and this is unisex. Okay, so ganyan si granter. Medyo, pangat ng ating ilaw. So, harap at likod, yan, para siya may glass. So, meron siyang acrylic. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung chain. Pero kung gusto nyo gumamit ng ibang chain, pwede naman. So, ito yung dalawa nating bracelet. Okay, sa mga bago dyan. Yung isa, meron yung initial, yung adjustable. Nalagyan namin yung initial nung magmamayari. And, yung ating pang cord cut. So, si cord cutting, pagtatanggal, pag-aalis, pagka-cut ng mga hindi na kailangang energy na nakakapit pa rin sa inyo, lalo na madalas galing pass yun. Okay, so kaya ikaw itong parang nabibigatan, no? Anyway, so let's proceed sa reading. Again, kung may tanong sa FB page po, magme-message. Okay? Huwag sa comment section kasi baka mamaya ma-replyan kayo ng mga nangi-scam. May mga gumagaya ng page natin, sabihin mo kami yun. Hindi kami na-reply. Okay? Ng mga info sa comment section. Okay? Hindi ko rin kasi may nakikita ako nag-chat yung iba ng PM sent. No, we don't do that. Okay? We don't do that. Okay? Hindi kami nag-entertain ng questions sa comment section. Okay? So, yun. You can check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node if you want to. But mas maganda kasi talaga na alam nyo iba yung placements. So, let's check. Okay. Aries placements. Yan. Your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings this coming week for you. So, sino ba ito? Anong meron sa kanya? 10 of Pentacles. Some of them, merong pera. Okay, number 1, specific. May pera sila. Some of them, they're stable. Some of them, pasensya na sa ingay. So, some of them, pwedeng asawa mo to. May anak kayo. Okay? So, what's with this 10 of Pentacles? The 4 of Pentacles. Mahigpit sa pera to. Itong taong to. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay? So, don't get too hang up sa mga zodiac sign na binabanggit ko. Kasi, this could be any sign anyway. So, masyadong mahigpit sa pera. Opo, masyadong mahigpit. Yung iba sa inyo, itong taong ito is mahilig mag-ipon. Okay? Yung iba naman, sabihin nating nasa abroad. They're working abroad. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, anong meron? there's this sudden stop, a pause, or bigla na lang hindi mo nararamdaman, parang ganyan. Anyway, let's see. Wag pong kukunin lahat ha ng sinasabi ko. Kung anong nagre-resonate, yun lang ang kukunin, and yung iba ibigay nyo sa iba. Okay, so anong emotion niya for you right now? 9 of Cups. Oh. And the 5 of Wands. Some of them, they're physically, like, sabihin natin they want with you. Okay? Yeah. They want intimacy. So, may chance, some of you, kung itong taong to, yeah, kasi nakakuha naman ako ng energy rito na wala namang masyadong issue. Okay, there's this energy of communication for some of you. So, nandyan yung parang magiging passionate, magiging sexual yung taong to by next week. Yeah, they're into you, like may pagka-clingy ako nakikita for them. Yeah, see the Queen of Cups, the emotion, burst of emotion, like hindi naman sa pangit na emosyon ang may papakita. They're like being, alam mo na, kung sa pusa, in heat. Opo. Okay, yan. Justice. Some of you, kasal kayo ng taong to. Parang hinahanap-hanap. Oo, lalo na kung malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Lagi kang hinahanap-hanap nito. Opo. Okay, so, yeah. That's it. Next. Taurus. Okay. So, Taurus placements. What's your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings this coming week for you? Let's see. Who is this? Who is this person? Taurus. 3 of Cups. Could be a friend. Yeah. The Chariot. Could be water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Some of them, they're a friend. Or nasa small circle lang kayo nitong taong to. Oh my. Is there a third party involved? Itong taong bang ito is may pagka-friendly. Parang, masyado siyang friendly. Na talaga namang, alam mo na, dumarating na sa puntong nakakapag-cheat na. Yung iba sa inyo, alam mo itong taong to is already connected. Already committed. Yeah. Pwede itong taong to is sabihin natin, yeah, see, meron ka connect. This is so specific. I'm seeing a specific reading here. So, hindi makaka-resonate yung iba. So, this person, sabihin natin, nasa small circle lang kayo ng taong to. Nilalandi ka. Meron siyang kakonect at alam mo yon. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung sa inyo, alam mo ba? Pero, yeah, ang nakukuha ko sa taong to is connected siya somewhere else. Okay, and then, yeah, they're into you. They're like, sabihin nating, nandun yung landi. Nandun yung play. Parang ganyan. So, what's their emotion? What's their emotion? Nakita ko si Queen of Swords kanina. Meaning to say, sabihin natin hindi siya magiging consistent or may chance na parang i-avoid ka or maging distant or cold. Okay, some of them may ganon. Ace of Pentacles. May pag-aya yung iba. Okay. Yeah. Oh! Oh my! Oh my! Ang daming involved dito. So, I'm seeing here sex by next week. Ano to? Friends with benefits? Is this friends with benefits? Yeah. No emotions involved here. I'm seeing here an invitation, a date. Somebody will, sabihin nating demand. I don't know kung pwedeng maging vice versa or flip yung energy. Pwedeng ikaw, Taurus, yung merong iba. And itong taong to ay single at nilalandi ka. So, ganon, ha? So, may chance na pwedeng itong taong to, kung ikaw ang may kakonek, magdidemand sa'yo to. They're like being needy. Okay? Pagdating sa'yo, paano ka? Ano ka ngayon? Ha? So, kung hindi naman ikaw yung may kakonect, sila ang may kakonect, ang mangyari dito, may chance ng drama. Ha? Drama. Some of you, pwedeng yayain ka nito. Ha? Yayayain ka. Syempre, pasikreto. Pasikreto, nandyan yung kaba. Nandyan yung takot. May sex ako nakikita. They want to make it with you. Ay. They want to make love with you. O, diba? May mga ganon. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So, bakit ganyan? Next is Gemini. Gemini, let's see your person's emotion this coming week for you. Thoughts, emotions, feelings. Kung ano bang meron. Ano ba? So, sino ba itong taong to, Gemini? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, Gemini. Kumusta kayo? Okay. Ooh, the Ace of Wands. Some of them, they're physically attractive. Okay, physically attractive. Iba sa kanila, pwedeng malayo. May distansya. What's with that Ace of Wands? Every time na makikita mo to, you feel excited. Whether babae ka man, lalaki, you feel excited. Kung lalaki ka, nakaka-excite talaga. Oo. Itong taong to, some of them, they're like pretty, adorable, physically, like attractive. Yes. What's with that Ace of Wands? This is somebody na nasa circle of friends nyo. Lagi mo iniisip tong taong to. Hindi pwede ang connection sa inyong dalawa, I think. Some of you, gusto mong maging kaibigan tong taong to. Pero, I don't know kung kaya mo. Parang hindi mo kaya. Yeah, hindi ka gumagawa ng offer pagdating dito. So, I think this is someone new. Someone new. You have this mutual friends. Okay? So, let's see. What is your emotion right now for you, Gemini? Could be fire and water. What's their emotion for you this coming week? Eight of Swords. Hidden. So, they're like, sabihin nating lalaruin nito yung emosyon mo, maybe utak mo, parang ganyan. Yeah, strength, holding back. Holding back. Tago ang emosyon nito. Why? Anong meron? Bungkalin pa natin, laliman pa natin, deep down, emotion. You're in their head actually. Naisip ka niya. Pero they're trying to sabihin nating lesson, ang pag-iisip pagdating sa'yo. The Five of Cups in reverse, the King of Wands in reverse, the Tower. Some of you, minsan nabubwisit sa'yo to. They know you like them. They know you like them. Pero itong taong to, never siyang gagawa ng action towards you or mag-initiate. They won't. Okay? Alam mo, nakagalit sa'yo to. Nabubwisit siya, naiinis siya. Hahayaan ka lang. Gusto kasi nito gumawa ka ng action towards them. Yeah. Gusto nito ng playtime, gusto nito ng flirt, or something like connection. Okay, pero wala akong nakikitang connection dito. You're just admiring them, attracted sa kanila, and they know it. And naiinis sa'yo tong taong to kasi hindi ka nagawa ng action. I don't know why. They're confused. Okay? Anyway, so there. You're in their head. Okay, next. Cancer. So, Cancer, your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings this coming week for you. Let's see. Cancer yan. Okay. Person's thoughts, feelings this coming week for you. Were they? Sino to? Cancer. The King of Swords in reverse. I'm hearing Aquarius. King of Swords in reversed. Somebody who tell lies. Some of them may energy ng ang tawag dito, legal. I think some of them, they have legal issue. Devil in reversed. Ito yung taong hindi mo matanggihan. Ito yung taong alam mong mali pero hindi mo maayawan or hindi mo mahindihan. Some of them, maling tao to para sa'yo. Okay? I don't know kung may blockage dito. Mahirap yung connection nyo. Mahirap yung naging connection nyo. There's just a lot of blockages. You're workaholic. Some of them. Alam mong mali itong taong to, pero sa tingin mo, siya yung gusto mo. Some of them, napaka-consistent nila pagdating sa'yo. Could be a Capricorn. So, what is your emotion right now? For you. What is their emotion? Some of them, kung wala kayo ng taong to, alam niya kung anong dapat. Matalino, okay? They're too practical. Yeah. They're holding back. Some of them, kinikip ka pa rin ng taong to. Yeah. The Eight of Pentacles in reversed. Hindi siya gumagawa ng paraan para mailayo yung sabihin nating attachment. Ayaw nitong taong to na totally mawala ka. Okay? Like, emotionally, mentally, nandyan pa rin. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Swords Universe, wala kayong connection nito or I mean, communication if ever. Sa ngayon, hindi sila makikipag-usap. They're holding back. Wala silang gagawin. Yeah, so it's like kung wala kayo, hahayaan lang to ng taong to. Pwedeng focus na rin niya is mga bago, kaayusan sa buhay niya. Pero hindi ka pa rin nawawala. I think mahalaga ka sa kanya. Naging magandang parte or hindi ko alam kasi hindi naman ito mangyayari, hindi naman siya magiging Four of Pentacles kung wala lang. Yeah, oh no. Is this a third party? Some of you, this could be a third party connection. Maling tao. They want success, victory sa inyong dalawa. Yeah, Judgment in reverse, telling me na parang merong ditong may nag-end or sabihin nating end of a cycle ang nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. So it's like, yeah, so be it. Parang ganun. Okay, so next, Leo. Leo placements, your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings, kung ano man. Okay, hang on. Sandali lang po ha, wait lang. Huwag magalit, Leo. Huwag magalit. Nag-check lang ako kasi ang daming notif. Anyway, so diba? Leo, who is this person? Who is this person? Okay, the Ten of Swords in reversed. And the King of Wands. Some of them attractive, physically attractive, fit. Ito yung alam mong sabi natin charismatic. Okay? Andyan rin yung energy na somebody na pwedeng nakapag-cheat sa'yo. They have dark side. Okay? They have, the dark side. The time waster, I think. The time waster. Sabihin natin, maganda siya, pogi siya, whatsoever, pero they are time waster. Sinayang ka lang, or paasa, yan. Ayun yun, ha? So, tingnan natin, ano bang emosyon niya ngayon? Anong emosyon ng taong to? Di ba sa inyo, pwedeng no contact kayo or hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng communication or connection sa ngayon. Pero nakikita ko itong taong to pwedeng bumalik, ha? Kung sino man yan. The Queen of Pentacles. The Hierophant. Yeah, this is like one-sided connection. Oo. Lagi itong nakataligod sa'yo. Alam mo bakit? Kasi ikaw yung committed. Yeah. Ikaw yung committed dito. Alam mo yung energy is like para kang ina-under, kinokontrol ka ng taong to. Okay? Some of you, kung babalik to, isip-isipan mo, mag-isip ka muna. Like, 10 beses. Kung nakapag 10 beses ka na, gawin mong 20. Okay? Ilang beses ka nang binackstab ng taong to? Oo. Okay? So, ito na naman sila, nakikita ko. Pwedeng susuyuin ka na naman yan. Susuyuin ka na naman. Pero, parang hindi sa kanya manggagaling yung energy. Alam niyo yun? Siguro para siya magbibigay ng mga senyales na open siya. And then, ikaw itong lalarga. Parang ganon. So, yun na. Connection na uli yun. They need you actually. Yeah, they need you. May panghihinayang ako nakikita, isa pang dahilan kung bakit ito gustong bumalik sa'yo. Nanghihinayang, sasabihin natin kung ano man ang pwede mong mai-provide pa. Okay, so there. Next. Virgo. So, Virgo placements, your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings. Let's see. Okay. Virgo, your person's emotions. So, sino ba to? Judgment. In reverse, could be a Scorpio. The King of Pentacles in reverse, Capricorn energy. Nag-step back itong taong to, Virgo. Did they? Some of you, hindi rin ikaw open for this person. Some of you, hinahanap mo siya. Yes. Oo. Namimiss mo. Or sabihin nating lumilitaw siya sa iyong isipan lately. Hindi mo na ito nakikita matagal na. I think. It's like may nag-end. I don't know kung romantic to, platonic, or what. Casual. Okay? What's your emotion? What's their emotion for you, Virgo? Emotion. The Five of Cups. Oh, they're moving on. They're like, sabihin natin nakakausad-usad na without you, I think. The Seven of Swords. Alam mo, yeah, the Empress. Some of you, Virgo, may chance na kayo ay nagko-connect mentally or nagko-connect sa 5D. What's that 5D? That's dream. Okay? Itong taong to, yes, nakakalimutan ka na, sa totoo lang. Pero every time na kapag iniisip mo to, naiisip ka rin, andun yung parang connection, nagko-connect pa rin, like 5D, parang ganun. Okay? So, yeah, the Empress. Some of you, meron kayong malaking age gap nito. I think, ngayon mo hinahanap-hanap ang presensya nitong taong to, sa tingin ko. Lumilitaw ka rin sa utak ng taong to kahit hindi ka niya iniisip. Death is here in reversed. Yeah, the High Priestess. Yeah. Utak. Nasa utak. Nakikita ka. Kahit hindi ka naman niya iniisip. Some of you, ikaw kasi Virgo, ang parang naghahanap sa energy niya. So, that's why parang kumukonek ka sa kanya. So, nalabas ka sa utak niya. Parang ganon. Sana, yeah, iba sa inyo, hindi kayo naniniwala sa ganon. Pero, yeah, may ganon akong explanation na nakikita dito. Okay, that's frequency, vibration. Okay? So, napapatanong tong taong to, bakit ba? Naisip ko na naman yon, ayoko naman na dun. Or parang, okay naman na ako, hindi ko naman siya kailangan whatsoever, nakaka-move on na ako. Or sabi natin, yes, okay na ako without this Virgo. Pero, hindi yung 7 of Swords eh. So, I think, nagkakaroon kayo ng connection na hindi nyo alam. Yeah. The 8 of Wands Universe. Kahit wala naman. Andun yung energy, like, wanting to reconnect. Okay, so there. Sagot lang po ha, sandali lang. Okay, so next is Libra. So, Libra placements, your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings ngayong week for you. So, ano bang meron dyan sa person mo, Libra? Or they? Anong meron sa kanya? The Chariot could be a Cancerian. Some of them, they love cars, vehicle, motor, yan, mga ganyan. The Page of Wands, they love to travel. This person loves to travel. Some of you, they're younger. Yeah. Playful. Playful. Okay. So, anong meron? Ang daming plano ng taong to. Sa totoo lang, ang dami niyang gustong gawin. Some of them may pagka-business minded, actually. Page of Wands. So, anong meron? Anong emosyon niya for you, Libra? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. What's that? The Six of Cups in reverse. Why are they bitter? They bitter. Some of them, they need you. Itong taong to, hanggat maaari, siya lang yung focus mo. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng pasto. They need you. They're bitter. They're jealous. Gusto nito, nandyan ka for them. Inahanap-hanap ka niya. Ayaw ka niyang wala. Okay? The Knight of Wands Universe. Iba kasi sa kanila, sabihin nating parang ang hirap ng araw-araw pag wala ka. Parang ganun. Wala silang desisyon na kanila. Okay? So, I don't know. Talagang, yeah, Libra. Kapag nawala sa iyo ang isang Libra, o, diba? Para kang nagtampo sa bigas. Hindi naman siguro lahat, no? Oo, kasi, o, diba, may magrarant dyan sa comment section. Hindi naman po, ganto, ganyan. Hayaan nyo na. Ito kasi yung nakikita ko, ha? Okay, alam ko namang hindi naman lahat ganon. Matik na yun, ha? Pero yes, yung nakukuha ko is ganito. So, kung hindi kayo ganun, so, well, siguro hindi kayo to. Okay? So, they need you. See? They need you. They want to see you. Gusto nito palagi ka nandyan. Kung kayo ay magka-break, gusto niya ng reconciliation. Pero kung kayo ay nagkakasama naman, some of you, wala pa kayong totally, parang, sabihin nating relationship ng taong to, parang patungo pa lang doon, parang ganyan, nasa ligawan effect, ligawan mode, parang ganyan, parang getting to know each other, parang mga ganyang bagay, parang kailangan ka na niya agad, they're like attached, agad, nakakaramdaman ng selos to, kahit wala pa man, mga ganong bagay, okay? Lumalalim yung emosyon nito for you, Libra. Okay, so, they're sad every time na hindi ka nakikita, hindi ka kausap. Yeah. Next, so Scorpio. Scorpio placements. Your person's thoughts, feelings, emotion. Anong meron? Tingnan natin. Oh my. So, sino ba to, Scorpio? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron sa kanya, Scorpio? Share mo. The Nine of Pentacles. Are they committed? Are they? Temperance Universe. Some of them, or some of you, sabihin natin, andun na yung word na atat ng makakomit tong taong to. Apo. Okay? They really like you. They really like you, or maybe you really like this person. Some of them, daming responsibilities. Hindi niya magawa na maging, sabihin nating, balance. Masyadong mainitin ang ulo. They're like moody. They're moody. They're busy. Yeah, could be an earth sign or Sagittarius. May energy about, somebody na pwedeng, tawag dyan, nawawala ako. Itong taong to, sabihin nating, meron siyang, mahilig siya mag-commit talaga as in. Pero sa lahat ng pinagkukumitan niya, hindi niya mapagsabay-sabay kasi ang dami. Hindi ko sinasabing relationship, pero mga commitments, responsibilities maybe. Okay? Yeah. Anyway, so let's see. Yeah, para siyang breadwinner. A provider. Let's see. Emotion niya for you. The Six of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah. And the Queen of Cups in reverse. Hindi na to kayang mag-focus pagdating sa emotion. Okay? They're like tawag dyan? Logical. Sincere. Okay? May pagka-nonchalant itong tao. Yes. I think this person marunong lang ding magbigay ng healthy boundaries pagdating sa sarili niya. Yeah, see the Ten of Pentacles. Some of them, galing siya sa isang relasyon. Okay, galing siya sa isang relasyon na hindi okay. Pwedeng may issue pa rin still. Okay? This person is hindi pa ready, or sabihin natin hindi pa niya kaya totally maging 100% focus on love, pero yeah, makakuha ka a little bit. Okay? A little bit. Kasi yeah, nandun yung energy na parang kailangan niyang protektahan pa rin yung sarili niya. Yeah, see the Tower. Pinoprotektahan niya yung sarili niya sa mga pwede pang mangyari. Yeah, they're not healed. They're not. Yeah. Five of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, hindi pa sila healed. The King of Cups in reverse. I don't know, some of you bumabalanse ka lang din sa kanya, no, Scorpio? Yeah. Pero gustong-gusto mo nang makapareha tong taong to. Gustong-gusto mo nang makakonect. Like, legal. Anyway, so there. So yeah. Next. Sagittarius placements. Okay, so Sag, let's see your person's emotion this coming week for you. Emotions, thoughts, feelings. Anong meron? So, ano bang meron sa kanya? Sino ba tong taong to, Sag? Ten of Wands, a hard worker. They're a hard worker. Death in reverse. Mahirap ang sitwasyon nyo nitong taong to. Yeah, may on and off. May nangyaring on and off sa inyo. Medyo mahirap yung situation. Hindi pala medyo, mahirap talaga. Death is in here, in reverse. The Three of Wands. So, some of you are still waiting for this person. Some of you. Is this a sneaky link? Sneaky link. Tago? I don't know. So, kunin nyo lang kung naka-resonate kayo dun. Ito yung taong mahirap alisin, mahirap layuan, mahirap i-end. Nagkaroon kayo ng connection na sobrang hirap i-end. That is why nagkaroon ng on and off. So, ano emotion nyo for you right now? The 8 of Swords in reverse. Okay. And the 6 of Wands in reverse. Gusto na itong talaga maging free from you. I'm sorry. Gusto na lang ng taong to na maging free from you. So, siguro, Sag, ikaw na lang itong parang nagbubuhat ng burden sa situation ninyo sa ngayon. Ikaw na lang parang hindi, yes, the Temperance in reverse. This is you. Okay? So, there's this imbalance. Kaya nakabaliktad. So, meaning to say, pwedeng ikaw na lang yung nagsasuffer dito. Sila hindi na. Ayaw na nila to. Ayaw na nila ng burden. Ayaw na nila ng stress. Ayaw na nila ng jealousy. Kung ano man. Okay? Yeah. This person is saying no sa sitwasyon sa ngayon. Yeah. Yeah. It's a no. Ayoko na. Page of Swords. Yeah. Pwede kasing naisip at naisip pa rin ng taong to yung mga nakaraan ninyo. Actually. So, parang ayoko na nun. Nakaka-drain na yun. Nakakalungkot na. Nalulungkot na lang ako every time nakakonect ko siya. Well, sabi ng iba, siya pa nalungkot. Diba? Well, kung ganun ang magiging sagot mo, pwedeng hindi sa'yo itong reading. Okay? Pwedeng hindi sa'yo itong reading. Okay? So, specific. Okay, next. Capricorn. Capricorn placements. Your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings this coming week for you. Let's see. Capricorn. Who is this person? Anong meron sa kanya, Capricorn? The 6 of Cups. They see a strong connection or maybe nakakita itong taong to ng deep connection. May chance ng deep connection with you. A soul recognition for some of you. The 6 of Cups. Yeah, the 4 of Cups in reverse. Parang may kulang. Parang ganyan. Parang may, alam mo, itong taong to nakakapag-provide ng something na kulang sa'yo. Could be water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Nakapag-provide itong taong to ng something na kulang pagdating sa buhay mo or vice versa. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. Some of you, iba sa inyo nga, no, may legal issue. Yeah, the Justice in reverse. May legal issue. So, parang nakakapag-provide itong taong to ng comfort or something. Kunyari, like, sila yung nag-fill in the blank. Sila yung naglalagay ng something doon para ma-fill yung mga kulang. No? So, let's see their emotion right now for you, Capricorn. Mahalaga ka sa kanya, actually. Nagiging mahalaga ka na. Yeah, the 9 of Cups. You're like their wish fulfillment. Ikaw na yung para sa akin. Parang ganon, Capricorn. Lakas ng water sign. 2 of Pentacles in reverse. I don't want anybody. Just Capricorn. Siya lang ang gusto ko. Siya na yung gusto ko. Like, solid, 100% siya na. Yes. The Hermit. Unexpected, no? Yung pagkikita nyo ng taong to. Pagkakakonect. Unexpected, I think. Ang daming pwedeng matutunan sa connection na to sa tingin ko. What's with this 2 of Pentacles in reverse? Wala eh, parang closed deal na para sa taong to na ikaw na yung gusto niya forever. The Ace of Swords in reverse. Yeah, closed deal na. Parang kahit hindi ko sigurado, i-go ko to. Tower, unexpected. Scorpio. Yeah, the Empress. It's like, oh my gosh, ikaw na yung para sa akin. Ikaw yung Empress, Emperor ko. Ikaw na yung half ko. Ikaw na yung other half. Ikaw na yung, diba, divine masculine, divine feminine na talagang para sa akin. Ganun yung nararamdaman ng taong to. Some of you, may sitwasyon dito na hindi pa okay. Pero this person, sabihin nating okay lang, maghihintay ako kahit hindi ko sigurado. Yes. Okay, next. Aqua. Yeah, Aquarius placements. Your person's emotions, thoughts, feelings for you this coming week. Feelings niya for you. Okay, so sino ba ito? Aqua. Anong meron sa kanya? The time waster. Oh, the time waster. The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, the liar. The time waster. Tinalikuran mo tong taong to. Oo. Okay. Alam mong sinungaling. Yeah. Pero sinasabihan ka rin itong sinungaling ka rin daw, Aqua. I'm sorry. I have to say it. Hindi siya nagpapatalo. So, ano emotion niya for you right now? Or for this coming week? The emotion. The Three of Cups in reverse. Okay. And the World in reverse. So, wala akong nakakuha ditong energy na ginugusto ka. Lumalayo sa'yo tong taong to. There's this unfinished business. Okay. So, the Knight of Wands in reverse, some of them, they're like playing the field. They're playing the field. Like, bahala ka, Aqua. Kung wala akong maririnig from you, ganto, ganyan. So, pinagpapatuloy ng taong to. Yung pagiging cheater nila, yung pagiging liar nila, whatsoever, player. So, again, kung ikaw yung tinatamaan, cross-watcher ng Aqua, at sa tingin mo hindi ikaw yun, pero bakit ka tinatamaan? Ha? Okay? Ayokong magsalita dito. Ayokong mag-rant. So, kung hindi iyo, wag ka nang mag-rant. Okay? Masyado kang nakikita nga parang affected ka. So, wag na. Haha. Okay? So, there. So, kung sino man yung naka-resonate dito, this is not for a cross-watcher. Yeah. So, Aqua, kung anong meron, yun lang nakikita ko rito. This is specific. So, kung naka-resonate ka, kunin mo. Pero kung hindi, wag. Okay? Matik, hindi sa'yo to. Ganun lang. So, wala na para sabihin ganto, ganyan. Well, hindi naman ito private reading. Okay, hindi lang naman ikaw ang Aquarius. Ang dami nyo. Ha? Okay, so next. Pisces. Okay, Pisces placements. Your person's emotion this coming week for you. Pisces. So, who is this person? Some of you may block. Meron ditong nagagalit or may nagalit. May natatakot mag-approach. Anyway, so, Pisces, who is this person? The Four of Swords in reverse. Pwede kinakalimutan mo tong taong to. The Knight of Cups. You still want them, aren't you? Meron ka pa rin concern sa taong to. Kahit parang kinakalimutan mo na. Meron ka pa rin concern. Yeah. Gusto mo pa rin makipag-usap. Meron ka pa rin kauntian pa na parang kagustuhan pagdating sa sitwasyon or sa tao. So, what is their emotion for you, Pisces? They're blocking you. They're saying no. The Two of Swords. Some of them, they're being indecisive. You're being indecisive. Yeah, the Three of Wands. Page of Pentacles. I don't know. Ito Pisces ha. Feeling nila, binablock mo na sila talaga as in. Kasi you're not doing anything. Yeah, gusto mo lang na maggawa ng love offer or ng initiatives, no? Pagdating sa kanya, pero you're not doing it. Yeah, kinakalimutan mo yun, bagay na yun. Feeling nila talaga na parang lumalayo ka na sa kanila. So they're being, sabihin nating, confused. They're feeling confused pagdating sa situation. They're waiting, expecting something from you. Yeah, para kayong naghihintayan. They're thinking of you. Yeah. Pagdating sa communication, naghihintay rin tong taong to. Okay, so, meron ditong parang hindi nagpapa-apekto. Kunyari. Hindi ako apektado, pero kunyari lang yon. Mga ganung bagay. Yeah, the moon. This is you. The energy. It's sad. Mirroring effect. So, kung anong ginagawa mo siguro, yun din ang ginagawa niya. If you're being busy, they're being busy. Choosing to be busy. If you're sad, they're sad. Like that. Okay, so there. Yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page and yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. So, yeah. Asahan ko ang inyong support. Thank you. Goodbye.